Hey Betty, want to head down to the Alpha Beta house and have a little party?
Oh, Stan, a party for what?
It's about ETA, baby. It's a tropical storm going past Florida through the Keys.
Oh, Stan, will the Tri-Lambs be there?
Well, I hope not. They're a bunch of nerds. Goddamn nerds!
Hey, Gilbert.
Hey, Lewis, guess what? The tropical storm ETA is coming your way.
Gilbert, do you think that I don't have super scientific satellite-driven software that I invented when I was 11 that wouldn't already tell me that?
Silly me. What's the ETA of ETA? Get it?
Okay, Gilbert, by my calculations, Tropical Storm ETA is going to be passing by the lower portion of the state of Florida between the hours of 12 a.m. and 6 a.m., bringing about wind speeds between 20 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 50, with a lot of rain, a lot of wind, and even possible tornadoes.
Gee whiz, Lewis. Where's it heading after that?
Well, Gilbert, by my forecast models, it looks like it's going to go past Florida on the bottom, and then it's going to stay out in the Gulf for several days where it's going to strengthen up again into a hurricane, and then it's going to move itself east into the northern part of Florida, probably up closer between the Panhandle and Orlando-ish area, but from the west side. Yeah.
Oh, okay, Lewis.
And clap your hands, everybody. And everybody clap your hands. We're Ada, and a tropical storm. We come here on stage tonight to do a little video for you. We hope we make you laugh and make you smile, because that's what we're trying to do. Word.
Takashi Toshiro?
Here, sir. Thank you very much, Gilbert and Lewis. I hope we have a marvelous time and that we feel nothing at all. Nerds!
Hey, Lewis, guess what? The tropical storm, Gee whiz, Lewis. Forgot the rest. Look ready.